Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargul. In this video, I tell you about society. Do you know what is society? A society is a large group of people who share the same laws, rights, and the resources. You can think society as a type of community, but society is not always a small community like a neighborhood. In a neighborhood, people live close to one another. In society, people can live far away from one another and still be the part of same community. People in American society can also be very different. They can speak different languages and belong to different culture and community, but they all are part of same society. They all share same flags, voting system and leadership. A society can also be a group of people where they do same type of work. So what is society? People live around near you or far away. What type of society you live? Look around carefully and observe what type of society is yours. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.